Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now look at the headlines. Congress party not to give ticket to Congressmen indicted in illegal mining scam. JS Brar says report will be handed over to the CBI if needed. CM supporter Congress MLAs block Sopte and Vijay Khots induction in the Congress. Babu says Congress doesn't need excess baggage. Mining industry in Goa caters employment to 4.5 lakh people. Study shows how mining is the biggest employment generator, a Prudent Media report. Salgaonkar's Karim Banchari Fund not linked with India coaching job, says AIFF Secretary Kushal Das. Emergency committee to meet from Friday. And work on Duler artificial turf to begin by October or early November, says GFA Secretary Albert Culasso. GFA hope to hear from SAG soon on reworked Tilak Maidan MOU. And now the news in detail. Congress will not give assembly ticket to politicians who will be indicted in Justice Shah Commission report. If needed, government will refer the report to the CBI. Congress desk in charge of Goa, Jagmeet Singh Brar, has said that many Congress MLAs on the PAC have already conveyed their dissent on the report. They claim that Manohar Parrikar did not take them into confidence.
If we have set up the commission, we can also go for a CBI inquiry if need be at that given point of time and if the senior people think it proper. Number two, if any person, against any person, a concrete evidence is there and a glaring evidence is there, we will think about the chances of that person and we will also take into cognizance this allegation of serious nature. If it will be, we will definitely not allow that person to contest if there is a serious allegation.
Illegal mining scam in the state has shaken the Congress. Congress Goa desk in charge JS Brar, who was in Goa to take stock of the situation, returned back to Delhi on Thursday. He will give a detailed report to the UPA President Sonia Gandhi. However, Brar has made it clear that action will be initiated only after Justice Shah submits his report. The Goa desk in charge also said that some of the Congress MLAs who are member of PAC are not happy with Manohar Parrikar as he did not take them into confidence.
नीति बनाई है कि जस्टिस शाह कमीशन सारी तहकीकात गंभीरता, संजीदगी, सजगता से कर रहे हैं और जब वो किसी निष्कर्ष पर पहुंचेंगे, हमारी पार्टी के नेता, हमारे लीगल ल्यूमिनरीज उस रिपोर्ट को स्टडी करने के बाद इस पर तुरंत जो भी एक्शन मौके के ऊपर नीडफुल होगा वो एक्शन लेंगे। अब गोवा में सबसे पहले चर्चा हुई पब्लिक अकाउंट्स कमेटी का, यहाँ के ऑपोजिशन के माननीय नेता पारकर साहब ने इनडायरेक्टली उस सारी रिपोर्ट को लीक कर दिया।
Our reporter from Panji, Basuri Desai, with video journalist Ravindra Darvi.
Goa desk in charge Jagmeet Singh Brar has informed on Thursday morning that Patnekar would be inducted on Friday. Supporters of CM have opposed the induction of Vijay Khots and Dayanand Sopte. CM's camp checkmated Vishwajit Rane, who was trying for leadership change in the state.
Some BJP, one of the MLAs have resigned from the Vidhan Sabha, and we have admitted him in the party, and a formal function has to take place. Yeah. But now on this also I want to say that there is no such anxiety or a haste on our part to bring the BJP legislators into Congress fold.
Former Bicholi MLA Rajesh Patnekar was due to be inducted in the Congress party. Within a fortnight, he was reckoned to be a congressman. He was supposed to be inducted on 30th September. Health Minister Vishwajit Rane was all set to bring Patnekar in the party. But not all Congress leaders were happy with the induction. Sources informed that Subhash Shirodkar held a meeting with Jagmeet Singh Brar on Thursday. Vishwajit Rane, Babush Monserrat and Rajesh Patnekar was present for the meeting. Sources said that there was no consensus on induction of the BJP leaders in the Congress party. A strong group of Congress MLAs have stalled the entry of Sopte and Vijay Khots. This is what Vishwajit had said on Sunday.
Nobody has the right to challenge any decision of the Congress High Command. Whatever decisions are taken in Goa are taken with the blessings of the Chief Minister and the party president. Both of them are in know of what is happening. They need not disclose all these things to the media, but everything what is done in Congress party is always done with the permission of the High Command and with concurrence on that permission of the Chief Minister and party president. So what is coming in the media, and if somebody is unhappy with any decision, then it's his personal problem. He cannot interfere with the decision of the High Command.
From last few days, there is cold war over leadership change between supporters of the Chief Minister and Vishwajit Rane group. Sources say the induction was stalled due to this cold war. Importantly, Kankon MLA Vijay Khots made his presence felt at CM's residence in Altheen. Babush Monserrat has opposed the move of Sopte joining Congress. He wants Kankon Congress ticket for Isidore Fernandez. They have opposed the entry of Khots also.
Whatever is their excess baggage, we are just buying the excess baggage and troubling our own party. That is my concern and my worry is that. I think it is a high time the party president and the chief minister are here. I know the chief minister is not involved in all these things. But ultimately everyone, the opposition will blame the chief minister in fact. See, we are doing this in the interest of the Congress party. We want to strengthen the Congress party. Let us strengthen the workers of the Congress party. Let us give faith in them that they are the future of the Congress party. Okay, sir. We should not take someone else from there and say this fellow is the future of the Congress party. And where you all are talking communal and all these things, where the ideology, if overnight ideology can change, let the party not be run by the whims and fancies of 1-2 individuals. Because of that, I still regret and repent actually for my wrong decision at that time, for trying to break the Congress party at that time. And then still for that mistake, still Isidore is out.
Brar has, however, not assured ticket to Patnekar. Congress leaders in Delhi have kept all the decisions on hold till the issues within the party are sorted out. Our reporter in Panji, Basuri Desai, with video journalist Sunny Narvekar. On Wednesday, we analyzed how mining contributes to the economy of the state as well as nation. Today, we will explore the employment factor of mining. Statistics reveal that close to 4.5 lakh people are dependent on this industry and they are worried about their future when the state is debating illegal mining.
Mining is a very sensitive issue in Goa because dependency on industry is very high in the state. Statistics prove that total number of people earning their livelihood from this industry is close to 500,000. Here are few numbers. There is direct employment of 15,000 in mining and quarrying and indirect employment of 15,000. Indirect employment includes trade, hotel and restaurant, samplers, ship agents, ports, finance, international business, etc. Deeper analysis of numbers reveal that 4 lakh more people are dependent on mining through allied activities. Here are the statistics. Number of trucks 14,000, 42,000 people are employed. Number of barges are 357, wherein 6,500 people are employed. 600 people are employed in supervision of barges, and around 3,000 are employed for repairs and other works. So the number of direct and indirect employment that gets generated through mining totals at 75,000, whereas workforce involved in all other manufacturing tallies at 70,000. The total workforce, that's why, come to 4,55,000. It is this number that makes mining a prime industry in Goa. The number of employment generated is very high and it keeps the wheel of economy always spinning. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.